Welcome back, YouTube. We're going to get you caught up on the welding table in this episode, show you how I've gotten to where I'm at today, and I'll give you a brief runaround of what I have right now. Okay, so real quick, guys, still working on my center pivot connection. This was a pain in the rear to set up tonight. In light of Greg's failure episode, that took way too long. But like you can see, I elected to go with angle iron for my stops, and really this middle stop is like perfect height for me. It's like 37 inches, so it's like perfect. I mean, I'm just standing here And so yeah, I'm really happy with how that turned out. Now I plasma cut the back edge. It's got some cleaning up to do, and then I thought self-tapping screws would work, which I got the first one to work, and then every one since then was a pain in the butt. So just a little too heavy gauge of metal. But till next time, peace out.